Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls CAD Cut Direct. Did you know there's actually different techniques when weeding CAD cut heat applied film? A lot of these techniques can help you improve your production efficiencies and weed designs faster. Here's just one little example. I've cut out this particular player name, Evergreen, to kind of give you a dramatic example of what I'm about to show you. So this is the design that we're getting ready to weed. Now, when weeding this particular design, there's actually a strategy in which way you start to pull. Let me show you the wrong way first. Watch how difficult this can become. See a lot of breakage as I'm weeding. You see what's wrong here? I'm actually not giving myself a good entry point to all the cavities in these particular letters. So in turn, I have to go back and pull those out. As I'm doing that, I'm working with a material that has a sticky backing, so my hands are actually sticking to the material. It's becoming really complicated. Material sticking back down to it. It's just taking more time. So the proper strategy is this. Two tips here. One is remove the cavities of your design before you remove the outside. By doing this, you won't have to go back later and try to pick those out as they stick to the various parts of your design. So go in, as long as you can see the cut lines accurately, and pick out the center cavities. Now I won't have to worry about that later and those sticking to other parts of my design. Now, when I go to weed away the excess, I want to make sure that I'm pulling into the cavities of the letters. So an E is the most dramatic example. You see how that's easily sliding out now without tearing? It's really improving my production time here. Around the G, of course, I have to bend and go around the edge. But with all the other letters, it's going to save me a ton of time when I'm pumping out a bunch of names or a bunch of designs for apparel to make sure that I'm pulling into the cavities. And this will even be a bigger time saver when you're weeding big pieces where there's multiple names and numbers stacked up. So that's a weeding tip from Stahls CAD Cut Direct.